welcome to the 2015 edition of Cowbellpedia, where Nigeria's young mathematical geniuses are unveiled and discovered.
As important as a foundation is to a builder to build a home, so is mathematics to an inventor. This is Cowbellpedia, your TV maths competition, as is basically celebrating our future inventors. It's proudly sponsored by Cowbell Our Milk and endorsed by the National Examination Council, NECO. I am Oscar, your quiz master. We have 3 stages. Stage 1 is what we like to call the prelim, stage 2 is the semi-final, and stage 3 is the grand final. Each stage has 2 rounds. Round 1 is the objective questions or the alternative questions, where you get to pick out of 4 options. You have 12 questions in all and 5 seconds to answer each question. The top 3 students will move into round 2, where we have the 60 seconds of fame. You have 60 seconds to answer as many questions as possible. At the end of round 1 and round 2, the highest scorers will be moving on to the semi-final, and we're looking for just 2. So out of the 6 contestants today, only 2 will move on to the semi-final from the junior and senior category. We'll be right back after the break on Cowbellpedia as you meet your first 6 junior contestants.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.
Welcome back to Cowbellpedia. We're moving on, still the prelim for the junior category, and this is round 1. Let's meet our contestants today.
Munachi NSAZ. I am from Loyola Jesus College, Abuja.
Okoro Emmanuel. I'm from Belarus School, Bayelsa State.
Ogumarieta Ogenirumi from Federal Government College, Warri, Delta State.
Flake Chidima, I'm from St. James Anglican College, KB.
Chukwe Bukalagon from Pesetas Missionary College, River State.
Adigbe Blessing from Redeemer's High School, Ogun State.
Let's move to round 1. Which of the following symbols can replace the equality sign in the statement 6 plus 5 is equals to 10? A, greater than, B, less than, C, less than or equal to, D, greater than or equal to. You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. The correct answer is A, greater than, and 5 out of the 6 of you got that correctly. Okay has 3,900 naira. He spends 1/6 on food. How much does he have left? A, 3,000 naira, B, 2,600 naira, C, 650 naira, and D, 3,250 naira. Don't forget to put in your answers before the 5 seconds is up. Only 2 out of the 6 of you got the correct answer. That is option D, 3,250. Find the range of value of x if x plus 6 is less than 4. A, x is greater than -2, B, x is less than -2, C, x is equals to -2, and D, x is greater than or equals to -2. None of you got it wrong. The correct answer is B, x is less than -2. Simplify 5a minus 7b plus 6a minus 4b. A, 11a minus 11b, or 11 bracket a minus b, B, 11a plus 11b, C, 11a minus 3b, and D, 0. Don't forget to plug in your answer before the 5 seconds is up. The correct answer is option A, 11a minus 11b, or 11 open bracket a minus b. Expand minus 6k open bracket 2p minus 3q close bracket. A minus 4kp plus 3q, B minus 12kp minus 18kq, C minus 8kp plus 9kq, and D minus 12kp plus 18kq. 3 seconds more to put in your answer. Fantastic. Everybody got it right again. Make y the subject of the formula if minus x plus y minus z is equals to 0. A, minus x minus z. B, x minus z. C, z minus x. And D, x plus z. Five out of the 6 of you got the correct answer. The correct answer is x plus z. Only Chidima wasn't able to get the correct answer. A clock which shows the time as 1:10 p.m. is 20 minutes fast. What is the correct time? A, 11:50 a.m. B, 12 noon. C, 12:50 p.m. And D, 12:10 p.m. You have 4 seconds to put in the answer. 2, 1, 0. Congratulations, the correct answer is C, 12:50 p.m. What is the value of 2.5 times 10 raised to power 3? A, 250. B, 25,000. C, 250,000. And D, 2,500. Plug in your answers now. Chidima, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A gynecologist.
Gynecologist? Why?
Yes, I like helping people.
You like helping people, especially women? I wish you all the best with that, and congratulations, you got the answer right, and the rest of you also got the answer right. Which of these numbers is not a factor of 168? A, 5, B, 3, C, 4, and D, 6. Okay, seems nobody's giving room for anybody. You all got this right again. Congratulations. 4/5 of a 10-meter long electric pole is above the ground. What is the length above the ground? A, 8 meters. B, 10 meters. C, 12 meters. D, 20 meters. 5 seconds starts now. Let's have your answers. You all got it again. Third time in a row. Correct answer is A, 8 meters. Which of these numbers is a perfect cube? A, 8. B, 16. C, 25. D, 36. 5 seconds. The correct answer is option A, which is 8. Let's move on to our final question in round 1. Which of the following is a factor of 12? A, 5. B, 7. C, 3. And D, 8. It's a beautiful way to end the round. All of you got the correct answer. Let's see what the scoreboard has to say. There we have it. We have 2 who will be moving on, and we have 2 who are going to move in for the tie. Congratulations to Munachi and Ogene. You guys have qualified for the next round. Chidima, you did very well. I'm going to miss your smile, and I'm sure the audience will miss you as well. Thank you very much for getting this far. Congratulations. We have one more person, that's Ebuka. You've done very well. You finished at the end with 50 points. You did excellently well. All the best. We're moving into our first tie break in round 1. Emmanuel and Blessing, both on 55 points. If x over 5 is equals to 4x over y, then y is equals to A, 18, B, 19, C, 21, and D, 20. Emmanuel, what answer would you have chosen if you had enough time?
20x.
20. You're absolutely right. That is the correct answer. Unfortunately, you didn't put in your answer in time, which means that Blessing moves on to round 2. Congratulations to Blessing. Emmanuel, you have done very, very well. We wish you all the best as a future inventor. Thank you for coming. At the end of that tiebreaker, we finally have our 3 contestants that will be moving into round 2, which is our 60 seconds of fame. That's Munachi, Rume, and Blessing. Welcome back to round 2 of Cowbellpedia, the junior category. Before I move on, just a quick one for the viewers at home. Usually we give you the Cowbellpedia home play, and this is the question for this week.
A woman spent 1/4 of her income on rent and had 60,000 naira left. How much was her income? A. 90,000 naira, B. 75,000 naira, C. 80,000 naira, and D. 70,000 naira.
Blessing, Rume, Munachi, welcome back. Let's play round 2. Munachi, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, sir. Yes, master.
Your 60 seconds starts now. Factorize 5ab plus b.
5a plus b into 5a plus 1.
Correct. Simplify 5m plus 6 open bracket 6 minus y.
5m minus 6y plus 36.
Correct. Solve for a if a minus 4 over 3 plus a over 3 is equal to 0.
Skip.
Find the value of x squared plus y squared when x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1.
5.
Correct. Simplify m raised to power 11 divided by m raised to power 10.
M.
Correct. Solve for r if 3 all over r minus 3 is equal to 1 over 4.
Skip.
Simplify 6x over 10 minus 4x over 10.
2x over 10, that's x over 5.
Correct. Find the ratio 2 to 7 is equal to x to 28.
8.
Correct. If 2 over c plus 2 over c is equal to 1, find the value of c.
Skip.
Find x if 3 over 5 is equal to 6 over x.
10.
Correct. An expression ax plus b is greater than 0 is called a or an
Inequality.
correct. Rume, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Excuse me, sir.
Your 60 seconds starts now. Simplify 4 over a divided by b.
Skip.
If 2 cars are required to take 8 students to a debate, how many cars are required to take 12 students?
3 cars.
Correct. If 2 plus p raised to power 2, solve the equation x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 0.
Skip.
Factorize 5mn plus 20m raised to power 2.
5mn plus 4n.
Correct. Solve for d if 15 plus d minus 5 is equal to 45.
Skip.
Factorize 6x minus 15.
3 bracket open x minus 2.
Incorrect. If 3x costs 90 naira, find the cost of 5x.
150.
Correct. Solve for c if c squared plus 8 is equal to 24.
Skip.
Munachi, Rume, well done so far. Blessing, your 60 seconds of fame. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your 60 seconds starts now. Solve the equation 21 is equal to 9 plus 2x.
Skip.
Solve 7a minus 3 is equal to 2a plus 17.
Skip.
Expand q minus 2 all raised to power 2.
Q raised to power 2 minus 4.
Incorrect. If x equals to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 3, calculate the value of xy.
15.
Correct. Solve y minus 17 is equal to 24.
7.
Incorrect. Find r if 14r plus 6r minus 10 is equal to 50.
4. 5.
Incorrect. Solve the inequality 7 plus x is less than 4.
Minus 3.
Correct. Solve x plus 15 is equal to 34.
29.
Incorrect. Expand e minus f and e minus f.
Skip.
Express 514 in standard form.
Skip.
If 3 ratio 2 is expressed in the form of p ratio 6, find the value of p.
9.
Correct. Rume, Munachi, congratulations. You have made it to the semi-final. Munachi scored 100 in total, and of course Rume 75 points in total. That leaves Blessing with 70 points. You've done fantastically well, if there's such a word. Your school, your parents are very proud of you. Thank you for being who you are, for making it this far, and we wish you all the best.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.
Welcome back to Cowbellpedia, proudly sponsored by Cowbell Our Milk and endorsed by NECO. It is yet another round, this time for the senior category. But first things first, let's meet our senior contestants.
Akiko Ayodeji from Adeyemi Demonstration Secondary School, Ondo State.
Nafi Abutu from Government Secondary School, Safeda, Para State.
My name is Odu Steven from Mount St. Gabriel Secondary School.
Sunny Mariam from Otatotal Academy, Ogun State.
Kabir Olusalami from Government Secondary School, Kogi State.
Yoha Omo from Loyola JC College, Abuja FCT.
Let the quiz begin. Question number 1. Factorize t squared plus t minus 2. A, t plus 2, t plus 1. B, t minus 2, t plus 1. C, t minus 2, t minus 1. And D, t plus 2, t minus 1. 5 seconds to put in your answer. The correct answer is D, t plus 2, t minus 1. Obtain the sum and the product of the roots of the equation 3x squared minus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. A, minus 4 over 3, comma 7 over 3. B, minus 7 over 3, comma 4 over 3. C, 4 over 3, comma 7 over 3. And D, minus 4 over 3, comma minus 7 over 3. 5 seconds, make sure you put in that answer. The correct answer is B. Expand x minus 4, x plus 7. A, x squared plus 3x minus 28. B, x squared plus 11x minus 28. C, x squared minus 3x plus 28. And D, x squared minus 11x minus 28. 5 seconds to put in your answer. The correct answer is option A, question number 4. When the sum of 12 and a certain number is divided by 3, the result is 4. Find the number. A, 24. B, 15. C, 12. D, 0. 5 seconds. Make sure you tap that answer in. The correct answer is 0, option D. Only 4 out of you got it correctly. Find the value of 4, bracket 5D minus E, close bracket minus 3F, when D is equals to 2, E is equals to 4, and F is equals to 1. A, 52. B, 21. C, 27. And D, 17. Time's up. Only 3 out of you got the correct answer, which is B, 21. Solve x squared minus 24x is equals to 25. A, x is 5 or minus 5. B, x is 25 or minus 1. C, x is minus 1 or minus 25. And D, x is 1 or 25. The 5 seconds starts now. So the correct answer is x is equals to 25 or minus 1. What is the place value of 4 in 0.648? A, 4 units. B, 4 tenths. C, 4 hundredths. And D, 4 hundredths. Miriam, what do you think the answer is?
Hundredths.
What's your favorite subject in maths?
Algebra.
The correct answer is D. Only 2 people got it wrong. That is Kabir and Nafiu. Given that A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. B is 3, 5, 7, 9. Compute A version B. A, 5. B, 3 and 5. C, 3, 5 and 7. And D, 1, 7 and 9. You all got the correct answer. That's 3 and 5. Option B. A man measured a string of 5 meters to be 4.95 meters. Find the percentage error. A, 0.1%. B, 10%. C, 11%. D, 1%. 5 seconds. Plug in your answer now. Correct answer is D, 1%. Stephen wasn't able to put the answer in time. The set of fractions 2/3, 6/9, and 10/15 can be referred to as as dash fractions. A, decimal. B, equivalent. C, improper. And D, mixed. Plug in that answer in time, guys. The correct answer is B, equivalent. Everybody got it right except Kabil. Rationalize 2 times square root of 2, all divided by square root of 3. A, 2/3. B, 2√5/3. C, 2√6/3. And D, 2√2/3. Congratulations to all of you except Iyoha. You are the only person who got the incorrect answer. The correct answer is 2√6/3. Let's move on to question number 12, which is the final question in round 1. If y is an integer, what are the minimum and maximum values of y if -3 is less than y less than or equal to 4? A, -2, 3. B, -2, 4. C, -3 and 3. And D, -3 and 2. The correct answer is B, -2 and 4. Congratulations to all of you for making it this far. Now at this stage, we're going to go to the scoreboard to find out which 3 will be moving on to round 2, our 60 seconds of fame. So we have our 3, Miriam, Ayodeji, and Stephen. Congratulations to 3 of you, Iyoha, Kabil, and Nafiu. This is where the bus stops for all 3 of you. Do not give up on your dream to be an inventor. Have a safe trip back home. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. We're one step closer to finding which 2 candidates for the senior category will move on to the semi-final and join Munachi and Rume from the junior category. Ayodeji, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes.
Your time starts now. What must be added to x squared minus 8x to make it a perfect square?
16.
Correct. Factorize 9m squared minus 36b squared.
3m plus 6b into 3m minus 6b.
Correct. What is the gradient of line whose equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 5?
-2/3.
Correct. Simplify the fraction 3x minus 1 divided by 5 plus 2x plus 1 divided by 5.
X.
Correct. What must be added to y squared plus 3y to make it a perfect square?
9/4.
Correct. What is the x-intercept of the line 2x minus 3y is equals to 6?
3.
Correct. Simplify 8cd minus 9cd plus 4cd.
3cd.
Correct. Find the value of k in the expression below.
Skip.
Solve for x in 4 bracket x plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 8.
1/4.
Correct. Simplify x minus 1 divided by 6 is minus x plus 1 divided by 6.
X/3.
Incorrect. Stephen, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes.
Wish you all the best. Stephen, your 60 seconds starts now. If 40 minus x equals to 9x, find the value of x.
4.
Correct. In the equation, a is equals to kn. If a is equals to 10,000 and n is equals to 20, what's the value of k?
50.
Incorrect. What is the coefficient of x in the equation x plus 6, x minus 7?
-1.
Correct. Find the value of x if 3 over x plus 2 over x is equals to 1 over 2.
10.
Correct. If m minus 3 divided by 4 is equals to 1 over 2, find m.
5.
Correct. What are the two numbers whose sum is 34 and the difference is 20?
Skip.
If 2 open bracket x plus 1 is equal to 10, what is the value
4.
of x? Correct. Solve the equation 2x over 3 is equal to 10 minus x.
6.
Correct. Expand a minus 3 all raised to power.
A square minus 6a plus 9.
Correct. What is the coefficient of xy in the expression 4x squared
Skip.
minus 3? Solve the equation 3 over a plus 2 is equal to 5 over 2. Solve 0.4x. Miriam, are you ready for your 60 seconds?
Yes.
Your 60 seconds starts now. In a test, Olu scored 5 marks less than Frank, who scored X marks. What is Olu's score?
X minus 5.
Correct. Factorize 2a squared minus 32.
2 into a minus 4 into a plus 4.
Correct. Solve x minus 0.5x equals to 10.
20.
Correct. Find r if 28 over r is equals to 4 over 3.
21.
Correct. Factorize x squared minus 10x plus 25. Solve for b in terms of x and y in 2b squared. X is equals to 1 all over 3y. What is b in permutation b?
B.
Incorrect. Solve x squared minus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0.
3 and 7.
Correct. Expand x plus y
X
raised to
squared
power
plus
2.
2xy plus y squared.
Correct. What is the missing number in the following set of numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, dash, 13, and 17.
Skip.
Evaluate log root 7 over log 7.
Half.
Correct. What is the value of 2 pi raised? Set AU permutation is equivalent to
U.
pi is equal to
U.
Correct. You all did very, very well. I have 3 scores, 90, 95, and 100 points. That was quite an intense round. Stephen, really get in front of you, but unfortunately, your train stops here. You've been a fantastic contestant, great mathematician, and I wish you all the best. Miriam, you are the highest scorer with 100 points, followed by Ayodeji, who scored 95 points. Congratulations to both of you. You'll be joining Munachi and Rume, the junior category, in the semi-finals. We have our top 4 who are moving to the semi-final. I am Oscar, your quiz master. Bye for now.